Alright, so today I thought we'd take apart this pan image. It's like a little Android thing. It doesn't really work that well, as you can see. Goof with it a little bit, but I can't really get it to do anything. So it's pretty much shot, so I figured we'd take it apart, see what's inside of it. It doesn't matter if we break it, because, yeah, it's a piece of crap. Alright, so I took this thing apart, and I was looking at it, and I was thinking, oh, there's two things we can use on here. This is the cable for the webcam, and basically it's labeled. So you have your ground, you have your positive, then you have a negative and another positive here. So I think if we unhook this, because this has a built-on, this is the webcam here, it has a built-on board, we might be able to wire this into a USB cable and get it to work. But before we do that, I found something even cooler. I couldn't figure out what this was. Looking at it, it has to be, I was trying to look up some of the serial codes on here and figure out what it was. I couldn't figure it out, so if anybody knows what that is, whatever, but we're not going to use it. So then I was looking at this, and I figured out that this actually is the memory. This is your SIM card. And so it's wired in, so that's our 5 volt right there. It's our negative right here. So the yellow one should be your data negative, and the white one should be data positive. We're going to figure that out, because I'm going to try to hook it up and see if we can either burn it up or get it to work. And we're going to use an old USB cable to do that. And I'll show you, because on a USB cable it's very easy. If you're looking directly at the cable, because you can see the little slats in there. So this is your ground. Then right beside your ground you will have data negative. Right beside that one you'll have data positive, and then this is your power. So this is your 5 volt power. So funny, if you were to cut one of these up, you could actually just, wire it in however you needed to make it work. But we're going to cut this and basically see if we can't wire in this. But in order to do that, make sure that we don't blow anything up, we're going to wire it up and we're going to hook it up to this old laptop so that if something does go awry, we don't fry anything except for this old laptop. Alright, so I got everything tied together, as you can see, all jacked up, spidered out, but I pulled all the different ends so they're separated. I didn't do this correct or solder it, because I'm gonna end up using this cable to do the other project. So we're just gonna see if this is gonna work. So in order to do that, we're gonna use this laptop, because this laptop sucks, and if it is wired incorrectly, which I don't think so, because we went red to red, we did yellow to green, which your green is your USB data negative, black is your ground, the white is basically USB positive data, and then the red is red. That's your 5 volt. So if this works, we should be able to access this hard drive, which is basically the hard drive from the actual device. So let's see what happens. You'll see the disk pop up if it's live. Here we go. Plug it in. Voila, we have disks. So I'll put this back here. Zoom in here. Oh, so you can kind of see better. I'm gonna unplug it again. Plug it back in. And we have disks. So see what kind of file sizes we have here. So we have 900 meg filing system. which you're probably not going to be able to access. Maybe? Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Well, hang on. Let's see if we can open that. Yep, so this is apparently like media. It's a media folder. Stuff. There's no media on this though because I actually wiped it, so nothing there. And then this one is it's a couple megs. So they're all a couple megs. It's probably like what, like a gig or something like that. I don't know. That was fun. Now I gotta throw all this junk away. You guys take it easy. Peace.